Oh no, this is not a good hair day for me. Today I'm sharing the 3 signs that you need to clarify your hair to transform it back to the best that your hair can be with bouncy, fresh curls. Hello, this is April with The Curl Story, sharing a new chapter of curly hair styling. Ooh, this is not a good hair day for me. So I have to share with you the 3 signs of when you need to clarify your curly hair. So if you've seen my videos, you know that this is not how my hair normally looks. Take a good look. I'm going to give you a side by side here. The left has a lot of separation, stringiness. The right side just has all this bounce and vibrance and shine. So what is going on? The first thing, of course, we notice is the frizz factor is at the top of the scale here. There's just frizz sticking vertically straight up into the sky. That crown frizz is just really terrible, and there's no amount of hairspray that's going to make it stay down. There's also the webbing of the hair that you can just see here. That's what we call just the frizz. So it looks really dry. Of course, there's some pieces that aren't as dry, so it's really just a weird mix of dry frizz and then some curl clumps. So if you're dealing with this too, you know exactly what I'm talking about. The next sign is an itchy scalp. This may even be itchy on day 1 of wash day, or day 2, or day 3, or just all the time. That's how you know that there's buildup on your scalp. Your scalp is not happy and you need to clarify your hair. You need to detox that scalp. It's really critical for scalp health, for hair growth, and just for being comfortable and not having dandruff showing on your hair. Okay, so the third sign that I know when I really need to clarify my hair, that it's not just dry, that I don't just need a normal wash day, is when my curls are not clumping. And it doesn't have to be all of my hair. Like I said in the beginning with the frizz, there are some parts of my hair that were just super frizzy, and there were some parts that looked okay. It was just a weird mix. But if I see any of the curls like this one, it was just a frizzy mess. I'm adding water, and normally it should just clump. I could finger coil this and it should all come back together, but it's just not sticking together. It's not clumping. So that's how I know water is not penetrating my hair. I'm going to try to find a juicier clump here, so you can see the difference of what I expect it to do and what that bit of hair wasn't doing before. So here's just one. See how it looks like a thicker curl clump. I can find some more here in the mix. I just kind of have to separate it. But you can see the real difference. When the hair is hydrated, there's bounce, there's movement, it stays together. And then when the water is not penetrating, it's just, sometimes it's wonky. It won't curl completely all the way around. Oh, look at this one. This is a good one. This is a nice bouncy one. So that curl clump is fine. So how does that happen? That some of your hair is completely dehydrated and some of it's not? Well, you have a lot of hair. It's not all gonna get exactly the same treatment. And I tried to refresh my hair. The curl clumps would not come back together as easily as before. Take a look at my hair refresh playlist with different ways I refresh my hair, and you'll see how easily it usually comes together. In just 5 minutes, I can refresh all of my hair, but not today. This is just not working. So these are the 3 signs that I definitely know I need to refresh my hair to get back to this. Look at these bouncy, juicy ringlets. It's just amazing. This was one wash day that I could completely transform my hair. And no, you don't need to clarify your hair every wash day. Wait till those 3 signs pop up before I clarify. Maybe that's once a month. Maybe that's every couple of months. It really depends on the season, depends what type of products that I'm using, and I'm trying to use cleaner products so that they don't cause buildup and my hair can last and look good for many more days than ever before. I'll add the clarifying shampoos that have worked well for me so far. Please add your favorites in the comments below as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.